Invasive species, or organisms that are not native to the ecosystem, are harming Maine's native blue mussel population. One of the species most responsible for this decline is the Asian green crab. Scientists have been observing and recording increasing populations of invasive species for many decades. Species which are invasive to the Gulf of Maine change the ocean's environment. The Asian green crab acts as a predator to blue mussels and a competitor to sea stars, which also eat mussels. The blue mussels play a very important role in the Gulf of Maine ecosystem by cleaning the water. They're delicious too. Humans have influenced the migration of green crabs to the Gulf of Maine through their increasing contribution to climate change. There are many other species in our oceans that are invasive and affect ecosystems as well. You can help reduce and prevent the effects on the Gulf of Maine and other areas by not releasing your pets into the ocean, cleaning clothing and vehicles that have been in the ocean, and joining removal efforts.